put this on Facebook or I'll kill your face off. Cody, stop being fat. Why are you recording me?
Because you're once again cooking food.
Cats. One cat. 2, 3 cats. That's half of my cats. I have 6 of them. Get off me, Lockie. Stop recording me. You fat dickhole. Ouch.